Potatoes have gotten a bad rep when it comes to type 2 diabetes, but it's time to set the record straight. While potatoes are often seen as an unhealthy choice, a recent study sheds light on the truth. The study, published in the British Medical Journal, followed over 200,000 people for several years and found that the way potatoes are prepared and consumed makes all the difference. Here's the controversial part. Boiled, baked, or mashed potatoes were not linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. In fact, it's the popular French fry that's the real culprit. Regularly indulging in this crispy treat significantly raises the risk of diabetes. But why? Well, potatoes have a high glycemic index, meaning they can cause a quick spike in blood sugar levels. And when they're deep fried and loaded with unhealthy fats, as is often the case with French fries, they become even more harmful. Nutrition experts like Dr. Renuka Dang argue that potatoes themselves are not the problem. They're actually quite nutritious, packed with vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. A medium-sized potato, prepared healthily, can be a perfectly safe and delicious part of your daily diet. The key, as Dr. Dang emphasizes, is moderation and a smart preparation. Boiling or steaming potatoes, mixing them with other veggies or salads, and avoiding deep frying are all great ways to enjoy potatoes without the health risks. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the potatoes. The study also revealed that what you replace potatoes with matters. Swapping potatoes for whole grains can reduce the risk of diabetes, while replacing them with white rice can actually increase it. So, the next time you're craving potatoes, remember, it's all about balance and making smart choices. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Are you ready to give potatoes a second chance?